Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain pie chart in matplotlib. So what is exactly pie chart? Pie chart is a circular graph. The area present in the chart represent the percentage of data. For example, check this diagram. This is one example of pie chart. This is the complete circle, means what? Complete data. And part of the pie chart, this is the first part, present inside orange color, blue color and green color. These parts are called wedges. So wedges are part of the pie chart. The area of the wedges determine the percentage of part with respect to the complete data. So for example, check out this one. This is the simple pie chart according to a task. So my complete task divided into three category, or you can say three widgets. First, task ongoing current task, that is 33.3%, task pending remaining task, that is 20%, and task completed, that is equals to 46.7. So total 100% task divided into how many category? Three category. And inside the pie chart, these three different tasks or three different area represented by three different color are called wedges. So you can say pie chart is a combination of what? Wedges. Okay. So what is exactly use of the pie chart? So pie chart can be used in business to represent the what? Sales record, survey result, or to show the resource uses in the diagram. So that is the purpose of which one? Pie chart. Creating pie chart in matplotlib is very easy. So just go back to the code section, close this one, open Jupyter notebook. First of all, import your library. The library name is equals to which one? Matplotlib. Inside this one sub library, that is called pyplot. And here I'm using the alias, or you can say duplicate name. Okay. Now pie chart can be created by using simple function. The name of the function is called which one? Pie function. So first of all, I'm going to show you the syntax of the pie function. So just here, just write down help in bracket, just write down plt dot, the name of the function is equals to pie. So just press shift enter button. Now it will show the what help or parameters we have to pass to the what pie function. Now, first of all, I'm going to take some data, and using this data, I'm going to explain what working of the pie chart. So take very simple example. I'm going to use manual data, dummy data, you can say. For example, these are the values. For example, values is equals to, this is list actually. You can use array also. This is list. I'm just taking randomly value. For example, 215. You can take 251. You can take any value on, doesn't matter. Like 130 randomly value, then 245, then one more value, that is 110, for example. Okay, so these are the values. These value represent developers. For example, these are the developers: 251, 130, 245, and 212, 210. Sorry, these are the developers. Okay, present inside particular company. Now, these developer belongs to which platform or which language? For example, I'm going to use like this one, a language. For example, language. Here, 251 developer belongs to Python, for example, Python. Then 130 belongs to C++. Then, for example, 245 belongs to which one? Java, for example. And lastly, 210 belongs to which one? C# language. So this is the simple data I'm going to use to explain the working of pie chart. Again, I'm going to repeat. These are the developers, number of developers. Suppose instead of writing values, I can write here what? Developers, number of developers. Inside company, these are the total developers present inside company. And 251 belongs to Python category, 130 belongs to C++, 245 belongs to Java, 210 belongs to which one? C# language. Now using this data, I want to plot a pie chart, so I will get the clear idea. So this is actually values. Now already in first lecture, I told you we as a human get the more data or more idea about data by using what? Visualize representation of data. So instead of reading this data, like there are 251 Python developers. So I'm going to plot a graph, and that will give the overview of number of developers belongs to what particular language in single company. So just again take one variable that is equals to colors, because I want to use what inside pie chart I want to give the color to wedges. Wedges means what part of the pie chart. So choose the color, for example, just write down color, or you can use colors, doesn't matter, color or colors, and give the name of the what color, simple color, for example RGB, red, this is the first color, then green, that is the second color, third color is equals to which one, blue, RGB, simple color, you can take any color, doesn't matter. And one more color I'm going to select, that is equals to gold, for example. Okay, these are the four colors I want to give. Like Python is represented by red color, C++ green, Java blue, C hash represented by which one, gold. Now using these three variables, I'm going to plot a graph. Now what are the different parameters? Check out here, plt dot the name of the function is equals to py function. So what are the parameters we have to pass? Check out this first parameter. What is the first parameter? That is called x. Values you want to use to make a pie chart. Check out this one. So from which value I want to make a pie chart? This one, that is called developer. So just write down dev, that is the first parameter. Using this value, I'm going to make a pie chart. Okay, second, I'm going to explain this immediately after some time. Then labels, what are the labels of these values? So just write down here, the name of the attribute is called labels. Okay, labels. What is the value of labels? Value of labels equals to which one? Language, for example. Okay, so check out, I'm using same attribute name, labels. Labels is equals to language. So that is the second parameter I'm going to use. Third parameter I'm going to use, that is called colors. That is the name of the parameter. Just write down here, comma, colors. Okay, select this one and write down the, okay, here I'm using the same variable name, colors. You can change here, doesn't matter, color of graph or something like this one. Now just call one special function. The name of the special function is called show, that will show or display your pie chart. So just press shift enter button. Now check out here, it is showing this pie chart graph. Now this portion belongs to Python, this portion belongs to C++, Java, and which one, C hash. Now this is very simple pie chart graph actually. So we are not getting very information about a particular language, percentage of what number of developer present inside Python, then C++, Java, C hash. Okay. So we are going to write some change the attribute of that graph. But first of all, check out, it is again not showing properly here. It is displaying inside oval shape. Now I want to display this as a perfect circle. For this purpose, I'm going to use one method. The name of the method is equals to which one, axis. Okay, so just write down here, the name of the method is equals to what, axis, axis, in bracket, write down the equal. Okay, so it will equally distribute the value of each one, this one, and make this as a perfect circle. So check out here, right now it is showing oval shape. So when I execute this one, now check out, it is showing perfect circle. So to display your pie chart in a perfect circle, use this function. The name of the function is equals to which one, axis, and inside this one pass which parameter, equal parameter. So what is this axis and with equal parameter? So this will set the aspect ratio so that data units, whatever the data units or whatever data you are displaying, distributed what, equally in every direction. In short, it is displayed as a circle here. If I remove this one, again check out, I'm going to remove this one. When I remove this one, save this one, execute again. Now it will display this as an oval shape. So you want to display your pie chart perfectly in circle shape, then use plot, that is the variable name, dot axis in bracket equals, and execute this one. Okay, perfect. Now your what total distribution of values display here. But this is the total 100% data. Then inside 100%, what is the percentage of Python developer? What is the percentage of C++ developer? What is the percentage of Java developer? What is the percentage of C hash developer? I'm not getting any information. So for this purpose, I'm going to use different attribute. The name of the attribute is equals to which one? Auto percentage. Check out this one. So here we can specify the format string, and this format string is used to display the percentage of what each and every what values. So just write down here, comma, that is called auto percentage is equals to double quote. This is the, you can use double quote or you can use which one, single quote. This is the format string. So just write down percent, then dot. Okay, here any value, any digit, that may be 2 digit, that may be 3 digit display here, dot. After dot, I'm writing 1. Okay, after dot, I'm writing 1 means what? After dot, 1 digit is display only. Which value? Float value. And then after that, I want to display the percentage. So just write down here percentage here. Okay, double percentage. So just check out what happened here. Now check out, it is displaying what, like 30% developer belongs to Python, 15.6 percentage developer belongs to C++, 29.3 developer belongs to Java, 25.1 developer belongs to C hash, and these are total number of developer present inside that company. So I'm getting what, total information about what, data. So instead of reading this data manually, you can use this visualization graph to display what percentage of number of developer present inside which one, that company. This is just simple example. I'm taking this developer example to explain what is the pie chart. Okay, now we discuss these different parameters, that is called values. This first parameter, values to display labels of each and every wedges. These are wedges, first, second, third, fourth. Number of wedges is equals to what, 4 wedges. Colors of each and every one, and this is what, auto percentage. So that will display what, percentage value. Now check out here, instead of 1, after dot, check out after dot, 1 digit is display. So if I write down here 2 and execute this one, now check out, it is showing the 2 digit, 15.55, 29.31, 25.12 and 30.02. So in this manner you can manipulate or change this formatting string to display the value here. Okay, now what are the different attributes present here? Now check out, I'm going to write down one more attribute here. For this purpose, I'm going to create one array, that is called ARR. I'm going to create tuple here. You can create array also. So just write down here, 0.1, then 0, then 0, then 0. Okay, total number of value. Check out how many values, 4 value. First value, second value, third value, and fourth value. Now which attribute I'm going to use? I'm going to use this attribute, that is called explode. Okay, so check out here, where is the explode? Check out this one, this attribute I'm going to use. Okay, so what is exactly explode? So I'm going to show you exactly what is explode here. Check out, this is your graph. Now here, write down the name of the property is equals to explode, then in bracket write down ARR. So check out what happened when I write this property. So press shift enter. Now check out this portion or wedges, you can show wedges of the pie chart explode means what, you can show like this one. Okay, so this is the purpose of which one, explode property. Okay, now here I'm using which one, 0.1 value for which one, first attribute, that is equals to which one, Python. First value here is equals to Python, so that is applicable to this one. Suppose if I make it as 0 and I create like 0.1, now 0.1 as the second value applicable to which one, C++. So when I execute this one, now C++ is explode. So in this manner, you want to explode particular what, wedges, then you can use this value. So again, I'm going to delete this one and explode only first value, that is called 0.1. But instead of 0.1, you can give different value also, 0.2 for example. Check out, so this is what, little bit explode, more explode. Now check out this one. Then instead of 0.2, 0.3 for example, again check out this one. This portion or this distance is what, increase. So best option is what, 0.1. Shift enter. Okay, that's it. That is which property, explode property. Now that is not very important property, but you can use shadow property here. Check out shadow. Now check out right now this portion. Check out this portion. No shadow present here. Okay. So when I write down shadow is equals to true and check out here, now shadow is display here. Okay, so that is the next property, that is called which one? Shadow property. Now you can use legend function. Actually, legend is used to give the labels inside which one graph matplotlib. Okay, so how to use this property? Actually, labels already present here, but additionally you want to give labels separately. Then you can use legend function. Just write down plt dot legend in bracket whatever the labels you want to display. Now your labels present inside which variable? Language variable. So just write down lang and check out here what happened when I call the legend function. Just shift enter. Now check out here separately labels are displayed here. Suppose I remove this one, again check out. Now these labels are not displayed here. So to display labels separately, you can use which one? Legend function. Okay, so that is the what basic working of which one? Your pie chart. Again, I'm going to what recall that one. Pie chart is used to represent what records like sales records, survey result, or resource uses. So that type of data you want to represent, then we have to use the pie chart. Now this complete pie chart means what? Your whole data, like number of developers. If I perform the addition of what all numbers, these are number of developer, but I want to display the percentage of each and every developer belongs to what particular language, number of percentage of Python developer, C++ developer, Java developer, and CS developer. Then we can use what? Wedges, which are the part of the pie chart. So that is the simple description about which one? Pie chart.